This is lesson 1.2, powers and exponents, on page 16. So if you need to pause the video and get to this page, do that right now. Okay, we're going to look at powers and exponents. Let's start with power. So this repeated multiplication is called a power. And within a power, you have a base number and an exponent. So the base number is your big number. The exponent tells how many times you're going to multiply this base number. So 2 to the 4th power means that I would need to write 2 4 times. Okay, for example, 6 to the 5th power means I'm going to write 6 5 times. 6 times 6 times 6 times 6 times 6. Okay, powers are read a certain way, so let's take a look at a couple of these. So 3 to the 2nd power, we can say 3 to the 2nd power, or anything to the 2nd power we can say is squared. For example, 6 to the 2nd power, we could say is 6 squared. Okay, anything to the 3rd power we can say is cubed. For example, 6 to the 3rd power, we could say is 6 cubed. And then everything else is to the 4th power, or to the 5th power, or to the nth power in some cases. Okay, let's try writing an expression using exponents. Okay, so we have a couple of different bases here. So because it says write the expression using exponents, I'm going to write my first base down, -2. Notice it's in parentheses. I want to keep it in parentheses. And then I'm going to count how many of them I see. 1, 2, 3. So that's going to be to the 3rd power. Then I'm going to put a multiplying sign next because I'm changing to a different base. So now my next base is 3. So the base stays the same, and I'm going to count how many 3s I see. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 3 to the 4th power. And I'm going to leave my answer like this because it says write the expression using exponents. So I'm not going to solve it any further. That is my answer. Okay, let's try one more. Now we have some variables, but these are done the same way. Okay, so we have A's and B's, so I'm going to write A, and there are 2 A's, so this is A squared. Now I'm going to change bases, so I'm going to put a multiplying sign, and I'm going to write my base, B, and I'm going to count how many I see. 1, 2, 3, so this is B cubed. Okay, so because I'm writing an expression using exponents, this is my final answer. I'm not going to evaluate any further. Or, because these are variables, and when you write variables next to each other, that indicates multiplying, you could write your answer A squared B, B cubed. Okay, we'll practice more tomorrow.